Hey there, music lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something fun and straightforward: how to change your Spotify playlist cover in 2025. Whether you're sprucing up your workout jams or personalizing your chill vibes playlist, a custom cover can make all the difference. This quick tutorial will walk you through the steps on both mobile and desktop, so you can do it no matter where you are. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Spotify app installed. That's key for 2025 updates. Let's jump right in on your phone. Open the Spotify app and head to your Library tab. Find the playlist you want to edit and tap on it. Now, look for the three dots in the top right corner. That's your menu. Tap those and select Edit Playlist from the options. You'll see a section for the cover art. Tap on it to change. Spotify will let you choose from their suggestions or upload your own photo from your gallery. Pick your favorite, crop it if needed, and hit Save or Done. Voila! Your playlist now has a fresh new look. If you're on a computer, it's just as simple. Log into Spotify via your web browser or desktop app. Go to your library, right-click on the playlist, and choose Edit Details. Click on the cover image, upload a new one from your files, and save your changes. One tip: make sure your image is square and high quality for the best results. Spotify might reject blurry or incorrectly sized ones. Also, remember that this feature is available to Spotify Premium users for full customization, but free users can still use default options. There you have it, you've just leveled up your Spotify game. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and keep those playlists popping. See you next time.